What's up? This is Inside the Bagz Osuza backpack. Second review. Why? Because I just have to show you how this thing works. I've got this thing stuffed. I've got my drone in here. I've got a rain jacket. I've got my Insta360 ONE R. I have a tripod. And I also have my monkey tail in here. Things that I might need live in the back, just in case. I got batteries in the back padded compartment, and I don't even feel it. Let me show you about this. I've done some customization to this bag. I've decided to use one of the white ones from the limited or limitless series of straps and bags that you can buy. Bought that with the bag. You need the straps to do what I've done, but you don't really need the white bag, the longer one, because that's over there, not in my bag. I said that the Velcro was annoying, but I've kind of eliminated the Velcro with what I've done. Let's just get right into it. Pop these two. These are the ones that are placed like that from the get-go. Now I have this right here. I attached it to here and here. I have this because I don't want the bottom opening, because you can put things inside the bag like a regular backpack. Now, let's say I just want to grab something from this bag or inside of here. I need the bottom to stay from flopping open. And if you notice, there's no Velcro. Same with the bottom. No Velcro sound. And I like both the flaps to just be kind of easy. Nothing's gonna fall out of them. Insta360 tripod sitting between these loops. I have my monkey tail through the loops and then snug like that. These don't move, especially with the bottom. Now, if I'm out shooting around, all I have to do is pop the top, slide one of these out, use it, I can put it back. In this, I have my little tripods, attachments for my Go 3, you know, like the handle for my Osmo Pocket if I need it, but it's all just chilling right here. I'm not digging in my bag and trying to pull these out. I pop the flap and they're right here where I need them. Gerber Principal knife, it's attached to the loops. When the bag is closed up, I can still get to this if I need to. In the open, but kind of hidden, easily accessed. This is what I really wanted, and I get from this bag. The thing I hate is I have a drone, DJI Mini. What do you put it in? This bag, I can literally fit the bag the drone came with inside here, and I can leave it open and get to my drone. Boom, there's the controller, there's the drone. Just super easy. I can pull them out, close it back up, fly it around, land it, pop it open, close it up, stick it away. I love this right here. Open it back up. You saw the outside, and there's still some Velcro when there's nothing on here. I attach these loops just in case I need something to hook to it. My chrome bag, which I have my Insta360 ONE R in, and a charging brick. Back here is where I keep my tools, my things I like to keep in my bag, but I probably won't need. Lighter, pen, flashlight, a mini ratchet tool. In these pockets, I have a multi-tool. I have all the clips that go to this and other straps. These did not come with this bag, but it's just a strap that I looped in here, and that's my rain jacket. This, if you look down here, I've taken two small carabiners and attached them to the loops. This is the DJI case that it comes with. On it, it has these little flap loops and a strap that comes with it. I cut the strap off. Snip, snip, cut it off. Just take these, I lay it in here, I clip the carabiners to it. So, you know, it's not gonna fall out. It's not gonna move around a lot. What I was worried about is with all this stuff folded up, is there too much pressure? I don't tighten it down super tight. I just lay it over it like this. I lay this one over that, and I close these guys up. I'm good to go. I've got all my tools, got all my equipment, I've got a rain jacket, and it's in sections to where I can navigate and get to things fast, and they're not in the way. I like the side entry that allows me to get out things that are typically not easy to get out. I feel like with a camera bag, I have only camera space. With a backpack, I just can't get what I need. When I'm out on the streets, I'm hiking, I'm places where I don't want to have all my gear scattered around. this is amazing because I have this opening on the side that I can get into quickly, and that allows me to feel safer in a way. Bring my things with and I can enjoy them and not have to worry about them being in the way or getting crushed or having issues, or people seeing it, because I'm in Seattle sometimes and I don't want everybody to see what I got. Yeah, it's got a lot of clips. It does. It has a lot of clips. It's got these clips, it's got these side clips. It all depends on where you're going. Are you going all the way to the back? Are you going all the way inside of it? Or you just need to pull something out. Side entry. Let me just show you one more time. Pops open, there's my drone. And look, I got plenty of room in there. Plenty of space. And there's nothing hitting it. There are pockets that you can get to as well. The zipper pockets, when you unfold it, they're on the outsides. When you fold it up, they're on the inside. So you have this side and this side. I had to make another review about this bag because it has now become my favorite bag. My second review on the Osuza canvas backpack. Peace.